Okay, my friend, you guys have been asking about this Chat GPT. Okay, so we're in your Chat GPT account here, and what's on your mind? You see it right here? But what I want you to do is go down to the bottom over here, bottom left, okay? And I want you to click on your name, okay? And when you click on your name, then I want you to see this pop up here. You're gonna see these different things here pop up. Um, personalization and settings. So what I want you to do is click on personalization, okay? And when you click on personalization, then I want you to go right there and I want you to read all of this, okay? And I want you to scroll all the way down and I want you to read more about you, okay? Right there, customize instruction and then more about you. How to make ChatGPT your personal ghostwriter. This is how to do it, and this is how to do it and make it talk in your own voice. Okay. All right. So I'm Dr. Fred Jones, the world's only worthologist, helping you to write your worth using AI. All right. Got it? Let me know if this video helps you. I'm gonna stop it right here. I'm in the airport traveling, but I wanted to do this video. Now go into your Chat GPT, go down to your name, personalization. Let's go over it again real quick. I'm right here in the airport. Go down to the bottom left, then hit personalization, and then right here, read all of that. And then I'm gonna be back in our next video. All right, got it? Got it? All righty. Let me know if this was helpful. Reply back to the email. Let me know if this was helpful.